So how do you delete files permanently from a storage device, like a flash drive or external hard drive or internal SSDs as well? We'll be using shred. What is shred? Shred overwrites a file to hide its contents and optionally deletes it. So shred file will overwrite file with random data, shred-u deallocates the file and removes the file after overwriting as well. For example, let's see, touch file. What? Okay. Touch file. Vim file. Insert. Hello world. Writing quit. Cat file. Boom. Shred file. Cat file once again. Gibberish. Data is unrecoverable. Shred-u file overwrites and permanently deletes file as well. Now, I have a flash drive. Connecting a flash drive for example of urandom. So let's mount sudo mount /sdc mount USB. CD mount. Boom. Make the file again. The file is there. ls-lh. I've only allocated 1 gigabyte for this small partition as an example. Urandom is gonna take all the empty space and basically remove and overwrite whatever was there that was possible to be recovered with modern day recovery software. So how do we overwrite the whole partition? First we have to unmount the drive like so. Check, it's not mounted no more. SDC. This example we're gonna use sudo. Oh no, wait, what am I doing? I already created the file. File is there. So we're gonna use sudo dd if def urandom. Use urandom on the file, showing the progress, overriding the whole partition. Progress will show the current state. It's overriding 370 megabits per second. Urandom. Let's see if we cat dev urandom. Both gibberish. All gibberish. Just random data. 780 megs left. 960. Boom. It closes out once all the storage is used. lh shows that file. Now it's using basically the whole 1 gigabyte partition I have created, overwriting whatever was within that gigabyte of empty space. So now you're good to format the whole drive without worrying that previous sensitive data you had in the drive could be recovered. So now let's format the drive. Sudo mk make file system extension 4 dev sdc1. Yes. Boom. df-h sudo mount. Boom boom. df-h, and we're back to an empty partition, the gigabyte of space. Pretty cool. Safe and secure. With an easy tutorial.